we're about to enter a monsoon here. Yesterday we were up here on motorcycles. I was up here with Kenny. He was on a scooter. He is on a scooter. I'm up here to pick him up right now, actually, because he got a little hypothermic yesterday. He was gonna go camping. He didn't make it to the campground, so he's at a hotel right now. He thought today he would continue if the weather permitted, but the weather is not permitting, and he doesn't want to die out here, so I had to load up the truck and drive out here to come grab him. So we're out here in the middle of nowhere. It's just farmland. There's a lake somewhere way out that way or that way. That's where they were camping, and the weather's good at the lake. Actually, this is just isolated incident. It's always just power through it all the time. That's how we always do it. But I ride a bigger bike, and anyways, he's at a hotel. We're gonna pick him up and get him back home, and yeah, we're driving into a monsoon right now. This monsoon's starting out. It was quite a bit worse when we were out here yesterday on the motorcycles. This is quite tame, actually. It's pretty much stopped. See what I mean? They're just isolated little events. They're curious. See, it's starting again. We were doing 50 on the scooter though, so when you're driving through that at 50, it feels like forever. Like right now I'm doing, we go through it pretty quick.
There's a pattern here, I'm not seeing it. What is the city? Okay, so gray, gray, brown, brown, gray, gray, brown, blank, gray, brown, gray, brown, gray, brown, gray, brown, brown, gray, brown, 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 gray, brown, gray, gray, brown, blank. Pattern here. There's just like, oh, we got some brown ones, we got some gray ones. They're all mixed in a bunch. Just put them wherever they fit. All right. City designing. It's public art, maybe. Why wouldn't they all be the same color? Some kind of pattern that would create some kind of artistic effect. They're just kind of random. I mean, that could be art in a sense, couldn't it? But not this time.